movements could be very telling to us. So for instance, why is this the rally that is the largest rally since the high? Why is this bar so important, covering the previous commitment to the downside? Why is it that we spend in duration was the most amount of time relative to the previous instances where the mean is being touched, but there is no long duration or more long existence of price presence on the mean? Why is it this bar right here that is so dynamic and shows some kind of push to the upside, which is technically probably one of the best pushes that we have had? So all of this led us to the idea that we are going to have the rally here that is going to come at least to this point. And then when we we're going through day by day analysis here, we said not only we're going to come to this level, we're actually going to overcome this line. And that comes on the news of the OPEC production cut by 2 million barrels a day. This is a large number. Usually those type of numbers, an announcement would produce some kind of rally. So now, Bruce, I'm thinking that this rally could continue, obviously with some kind of stopping actions, which are going to be temporary. And I think that we're really looking into some points of the resistance that was created by the previous breakdowns. I mean, like all of those 3 lines right here, probably quite possible. I think that we could possibly even come back above the major global support right here. And that could interestingly produce a different structure here. And this whole downtrend then becomes very weird. Weird in which way? Well, usually we would have something like laborious move to the downside, but weak rally to the upside, and then some kind of advances and acceleration to the downside with the climactic stop in action. We definitely see this here, maybe not to the same degree, but there is no climactic volume here. So with that, I'm thinking that we still, bound to rally here, and then right here in this area, we will have to see what kind of price structure we could create. Bruce, your thoughts on oil?
Just that a rally back up into the trading range, I think is the key here, and that if it can do that, which makes this look a little bit like it could be sort of an extended shakeout type event, and it comes back into the trading range, and then from there is able to rally up to the resistance, that would be, I think, telling of the renewal of the inflation pressures, maybe somewhat caused by the dollar. You could line up the dollar to this chart, and it when the dollar really started to accelerate was right about the time that crude oil went into a range-bound condition. So I believe that that's going to be the key, is to get up to that old support, new resistance, and be able to get back into the trading range.